prophecy. I have to tell Sandstar. I saw a prophecy. But what are we going to do? Intruder! How dare you, kitty pet, to hunt in our territory? Oh, okay. I'm going to show you around. I'm Speak Kit, by the way. What's your name? Nice to meet you, Peaches. Here it is. Home sweet home. Your dream? Come on, Peaches. My father wants you to come too. Come on already! Now the leader is going to lick your head, and you have to lick his chin. So, Wave Kit, huh? I'm going to show you around the camp now. This is where we sleep right now. Just one. Me, you, and Night Kit. Night Kit! Wake up! Sorry, Night Kit. Anyways, have you heard we have a new member in the clan? Night Kit, this is Wake Kit. 'Cause she is one. You must excuse Night Kit. He had quite a day. Right, Night Kit? Now I'll show you the other places. This is the apprentices' den. Sadly, there aren't any apprentices yet. Once there were a lot of cats here. There were also 3 other clans: Water Clan, Cloud Clan, and Fire Clan. The 3 clans' cats and a few cats from our clan were killed by dogs. They took over the 3 other clans. Thanks to Redheart's parents, we managed to survive. They told the dog clan leader that the 2 legs took over our territory. Both died to a sickness. Yeah. Let's go to the next den. This is the Warriors' Den. Warriors are the coolest cats ever. There are 2 types of warriors: hunters and guards. Come on in. You have already met Redheart. He's a guard and a hunter. And the orange Tom there is Duststorm. He's a hunter. The other 2 Toms are Blacktail and Stonefur. They are warrior guards. About 10? Yeah, but a lot of them, you know. Let's go to the next den. This is the Elder's Den. We have only 3: Pinkfur, Mouseheart, and Moon Eyes. Don't worry, you'll get used to it. This is the Medicine Cat's Den. Our current medicine cat is Daisy Leaf. When she was an apprentice, my mom trained her. Sadly, my mom died to an incurable sickness. Don't be. Her soul is in a better place. This is the place where the leaders sleep, under the ancient rock. Yeah, me too. Let's go to sleep. Psst, psst, Wave Kit, wake up. Do you want to go hunting? I got my dad's permission. Okay. I'll wait for you to be in the camp entrance. Let's go. Stop. Now you try. Great job. Let's get the 4 more mice. Then we can go back home. I'll go this way. You go the other way. When you get the mice, come back here. Oh, good. You're here. Let's grab the mice and go back to the camp. What are you doing in our territory? Wait, are you saying that you want me to be one of them? Dog Clan! That's terrible! Well, I think that it's time to say goodbye, 'cause you have to go now. She can't come with us to camp. We can explain. May I start? Well, me and Wavekit were hunting. She thought that here lived the two legs. She also said that she was thrown out of her clan. Yeah, I wish I could have that kind of name. Nightkit, this is Strong Pup. She's a new... Sorry, Nightkit. Couldn't get any sleep today. He's usually not that grumpy. Then what are we waiting for? Let's go! Yes? She died to an incurable sickness. She's in Star Clan now. I hope my dad'll be my mentor. He was before he became our leader. I just hope he could be a mentor again. Well, my mentor. Where am I? Anybody here? Hello? Hello? Why did it have to be a dream? I have never been outside before. Should I really? Let's do this! Who's there? What are you? I've never seen a fox before. Nice to meet you. I'm Peaches. Well, I'm very curious about this place. I'm just going for a look. Maybe I want to be more than just a kitty pet! Really? You would do that? Camp? I wonder if it's the kind of camp I saw in my dreams. Yes! I saw in my dreams that I woke up in a forest and walked on until I saw a camp entry. I entered it, and then something attacked me, and then I woke up in my warm bed. I think so. Why? There it is! I woke up here! Why? Is there a real camp? You're a clan cat?! It's, really interesting to be in a place where I've never been before. I actually love it here, but don't worry, I won't hunt here, I promise. You mean it? I'd love to. Of course. Oh, okay. I wasn't hunting here. Okay. I'm Peaches. Whoa, this place is bigger than in my dream. That would be great. Are there any other kids? Hello, I'm... That's all right. Why? What happened to them? Poor Redheart. How many warriors did this clan used to have? That's a lot of warriors. Yeah, good idea. All those names! I'm very sorry. That's awesome! I'm very tired, though. I'll come in a second. I'm ready to go. Sounds good to me. Yup. Are you serious? I've been dreaming my whole life to live here in the wildlife, and you don't want to? Out here, you're free. When you live with the two legs, you're like in a prison. You can never go into the forest again. Does it matter? It's okay. I'm kinda used to it by now. Are we just gonna leave her in our territory? If you don't mind me asking, why? And suddenly this dog came out! Hi, Strongpaw. I love your new name. I think you've been sleeping too long. Let's go and eat too. I'm starving. I can't wait to become an apprentice. I wonder who my mentor will be. Your father? But he's our leader. Or is he also a mentor? Yes! Sorry.